Tired of your Clockify projects feeling like a chaotic jumble? Well, buckle up because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to tame that beast with project codes. These little identifiers are game changers for reporting, cost allocation, and overall project management. Let's dive in. First, you need to log into your Clockify account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects section in the left-hand menu. Now, either create a new project by clicking the New Project button in the top right corner, or select an existing project you want to add a code to. In the project settings, you'll find a field labeled Project Code or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll type in your unique project code. Think of a system that works for you. It could be abbreviations, dates, sequential numbers, whatever makes sense for your organization. For example, you could use WebDev 2024 for web development projects in 2024. Clockify also allows you to reuse project codes, so next time when you are creating a project, you can select a code that was already created from the dropdown. Don't forget to click the Save button to apply the project code. Now, when you track time, the project code will be visible next to the project name. This helps you quickly identify and categorize your time entries. The real power comes in reporting. Head over to the Reports section. Here, you can filter your reports by project code, giving you detailed insights into how much time and resources are being spent on specific categories of projects. And that's it. You've successfully implemented project codes in Clockify, unlocking enhanced organization, reporting, and cost allocation for your projects. Now go forth and conquer that project chaos.